Alright guys, just a little update video for you guys, a little bit different than I normally do. I'm in the process of installing Apple Carplay. This is a 2015 M3, so it did not come with Apple Carplay, and it's not one of those where you can just upload a software and then you're good. This one you have to actually install a little box or device, the MMI, what it's called, and in order to get it. So I actually already installed it. I haven't put the car back together yet, but I didn't record it just because I wasn't sure what I was doing, and I was watching other YouTube videos, Keys Motorsports, and another video with really good instructions. I'll link those down below so you guys can check it out if you want to do this yourself. But I just want to show you guys kind of what it looks like halfway through the process. Also, little update on the lip. I am just running the lower splitter, or the upper splitter for the GTS, not this lower one down here. I didn't plan to run that in the first place. It just sticks out a little bit too far. For me, this is perfect. All right, so you guys can see we have the glove box down here, some of the dashboard, and the whole mess of wires, airbag, the whole unit itself right there. That's the factory one. And then this little box right here is what is called the MMI, and this is what actually allows you to install the Apple CarPlay. So it's pretty much just that box and then a bunch of adapter cables. That's honestly what it is. It looks pretty intimidating, all the cables, the airbags, all that stuff out, but all these little connections, they're all specific to where they go, so you can tell they're all different. So you're not gonna be able to plug one into the wrong place and mess something up. Like, you're only, if something's not fitting, it's because it doesn't go there. And so it's pretty easy to put it back together. So let's go ahead and get in the car real quick, and then I'll see if I can show you guys how it works. All right guys, so I'm just gonna show you how it all works before I put it all back together. So this is the factory unit here. This is all the factory settings, map, all that stuff. And the way it works, let that beeping go by. So the way it works is you're supposed to just be able to hold down the menu button, and then it'll swap over to the new unit. And it's gonna be, for me, it's showing up as this CarPlay one. So just hit that, and then it'll go ahead and connected. There you go. And then there you go, swapped over. That is sick. That's one of the biggest things I didn't like about this car. Not that I didn't like it, but man, once we got my wife's SUV and it had Apple CarPlay, I was like, wow, I really want this. So I got all my music right here, Spotify, and then you can go over, yeah, you got all your stuff right here. Pretty sick. So you got Spotify. The biggest thing I wanted was Waze. I really wanted Waze. I used it a lot. Waze, there you go. I'm a big fan of Waze, so now we got Waze. Pretty freaking sick. I'll let you guys see my address because I'm moving in 2 weeks anyways. But check this out, guys. That is sick. And then when you want to swap back, you just hold the menu button again, and then it swaps back to your original menu, so you don't lose that function, which is really cool. I am so happy with this. I actually got this for like $200, I believe. They're like $300. I'll link it down below on the Amazon link, but I bought it off someone that bought it and never installed it. So I'll link this down below where you can get it from Amazon. I like Amazon just because they're trusted, and you can return items, and you know you're not gonna get robbed with Amazon. If something doesn't work, you'll get your money back. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall this whole mess. I'll show you guys once it's all buttoned up again, but just wanted to give you guys an update on what I'm doing. Pretty sick. If you guys have a 2015, 2016, I definitely recommend this. It really is gonna make the car feel that much newer. All right, we got everything put back together. It took about 10 minutes. Like I said, pretty easy. We're gonna go ahead and test it out again. So it's already popped up since I was using it last. You can see right there, getting messages, and then you can scroll through everything. Pretty sick. And then swap back to the other menu. Yeah, guys, that's it. One of the next things we have to do is these badges here. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're starting to crack. Yeah, they're starting to crack a little bit right here. I actually like the silver ones. Since I have black seats, they really stand out. I feel like once I get the black ones, they're just gonna blend in. So when you walk up to the car, you can really see these badges, which I kind of like personally, but since they're cracking, we might as well go with the black ones. and see how we like those. But that's gonna be all for this video, guys. Just wanted to show you something that I was working on, kind of off camera really, and just made the car that much better. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Again, I'll link the videos I used to install it, also where to get the product. I cannot wait to go on my next road trip and use Waze. I've been using like the factory BMW GPS, which doesn't have all the addresses. Like it doesn't even have the address for my house, stuff like that. Yeah guys, that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.